Welcome back, guys. So off the back of part one, we've done the cavity protection underneath this GTE. So what we're looking to do now is we're going to look at doing basically every surface underneath the car, barring anything that's going to get hot, so e.g. the exhaust. So we're going to be spraying every bit of surface under the car with Bilt Hamber Dynax UC. Yeah, that's what it is. So Bilt Hamber comes in quite a tall tin. I mean, it's, taller than my head, so it's quite a big bloody tin, that. To be fair, most small cars, I would have said one tin would do the full underneath of the car. But I would always just buy two, just to be on the safe side. You don't want to get to so far in and you run out. So I would definitely recommend buying a couple of tins of these. Again, axle stands, dead easy, not messy. It is just an aerosol that you're spraying, but it does work. I've tried and tested it, so I can vouch for it. It does work. So let's get into the video and show you how it's done. Okay, so what we're doing with this stuff, guys, is we're just giving it a really good shake, and we're just literally just spraying it on the car. And you just want to make sure you're covering everywhere. So you can see, you can pretty much see where I've coated so far. And we're just going around the whole car, just basically covering it like that. So this tin's running out. This is an old one, so it's spraying a bit thick. So I'm going to change tins, and I'm going to basically bring the camera a bit further out so you can see it being done. And it doesn't take long at all. And it's as quick and easy as that. So one tin would have done this car, no problem. I have gone a little bit overboard, and it is just a case of spray away, cover everything, make sure you wipe it off the exhaust. But other than that, cover as much as you like, go mad with it if you like, and your car's now protected underneath from the salt of the UK roads and obviously moisture as well. So I definitely recommend it. It's something you can do yourself, guys. I mean, for the sake of I think it was 14 or 15 pound a tin, it's not a lot. You've protected your car for a good, I would say, year, couple of years, depending on how much you're going to use it in winter. But yeah, so that's it for today. Hope that helps a few of you guys out there. And yeah, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. If there's any advice I can offer you, please, I don't mind helping at all. Ask away. And yeah, we'll leave it at that. Thanks, guys. All the best. See you soon.